So one of the things I need you to understand is a thing called what. The 8th grade, now 9th grade, they understand this. I introduced it to them last year. I go around the world talking about what. What symbolizes this. It's winning habits applied today. It's winning habits applied today. Shout with me, shout what? What? You need to realize that what you'll become is based on who you are and based on what you do in life. You today can determine the rest of your life can be the best of your life, all because you decide to be a what individual. If you want to be a what individual, jump on your feet with me right now.